Hey guys, I'm Nobonita. Welcome to my channel Foodie's Pal. Combining my favorite ingredients and whipping up a sumptuous meal is the only thing that I need on a chilly night. To make it extra special, I have added fish. Presenting fish Florentine with a twist. The aroma of the cooked dish is a gentle reminder of my city, Kolkata. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started.
Well-seasoned fish fillets, poached in milk and aromatics, nestled on a bed of baby spinach, slathered generously with creamy white sauce, and topped with cheesy goodness is a classic that can easily become your favorite AM/PM dish. Ideally, use fresh fish for this recipe. Any firm, white boneless fillets is the perfect choice for the dish. If fresh fish isn't available, use frozen options. Pat dry the fish with paper towels to get rid of excess moisture so that the ground spice blend sticks to it when you marinate. Adjust the level of spiciness as per your taste. Short marination will ensure that the fish is well seasoned. Poaching in milk helps to get rid of fishy odor that results in sweet-smelling, brighter flesh with clean flavor. Please disregard the poached liquid after use. Before baking, pop the poached fish in the fridge for 2 to 3 minutes to let it firm up. If you are using salted butter, adjust the level of saltiness accordingly. Maintain medium flame while cooking the white sauce. Use warm milk incrementally to thicken the sauce. Season it with salt and pepper powder. The trick to avoid lumps is to stir briskly and control the heat to prevent from scorching. If you are adding parmesan, adjust the salt level accordingly as parmesan has a high sodium content. This sauce is very versatile that you can flavor it with your choice of seasonings. Blanching is a cooking technique that involves plunging food into hot boiling water for a short duration of time, after which it is removed from the water and placed in chilled water so as to stop the cooking process. It enhances the color and preserves the nutrients of the green vegetables. Give the blanched spinach a firm squeeze to remove any extra water. If you are using salted butter, adjust the level of saltiness accordingly. Season the spinach with basic spices to balance the richness of the dish. Use the cheese variety that is readily available near you. You can use cream or Gruyere cheese as a substitute for fresh mozzarella. While making white sauces, I use ground white pepper to add earthy yet milder flavor to the dish without the black flakes. If ground white pepper is not available, black pepper powder can be used interchangeably for this recipe. You can serve with buttered vegetables and roasted potatoes. Please press the bell icon to get a notification every time I upload a video. Bye guys, take care.